And as we promised the previous time, we're going to speak about a very interesting radio system, Amulet? What do you call that?
Qled.
Qled. Okay. You see, if I hear omelette, then I think about that nice omelette food for breakfast.
Yeah, you're thinking about breakfast. You must be hungry.
Yeah. But this is one of them. And Charlene, I saw what it can do.
Yeah.
But I'm going to leave it to the experts to tell us.
Okay. This one is actually in my hand is the Qled screen. It's a Volkswagen. It's only the Volkswagen at this stage that is available in the Qled screen with octa-core. It has space for a memory card. You can put a SIM card in there from MTC, a 4G card. You can have Wi-Fi, everything on it.
Does that mean if it can take the SIM card that while you drive you will have Wi-Fi or access internet in your car while driving?
Yes.
On the system?
On the system, you will have access. If you have that MTC card or whatever network you use, a card for Wi-Fi, it will work.
But then also there are other facilities I saw. If the car's doors is open, you can actually see which door is open.
It does that.
So
it shows you on the screen if your driver's door is open or if your passenger door is open. In your sedans, for example, your Jettas or your Golfs, it will show your back doors. On the Combi, it only shows your front doors.
Can you believe that? The image, the pictures.
The picture.
The picture. Unbelievable.
It's unbelievable because it has the Qled screens. Most TVs now come with Qled screens. Your high definition TVs have Qled screens. So the visuals on this is absolutely amazing.
Finger touch. They are all finger touch.
All finger touch. Very responsive. All of the radios. Even the one that you are holding is a Hilux radio, or it can fit in the Fortuner as well. As you can see, it has like a tablet screen to it. Most of your new Hiluxes and the Fortuners come with a tablet screen. So those will fit in there, but you get other Toyota units as well. You get Universal units. We have done a unit on a Mercedes. About 2 weeks ago, we got a unit for a Mercedes that we fitted, and the customers were really, really happy. So you can get them in various car models as well.
Charlene, before closing off this little educational insert on radios, if you're going to go back to the radio in the Volkswagen, GPS, calculator, everything, even Google.
Even Google, it's like having a mini computer in your car.
Is that legal?
Well, maybe not for the driver.
So there we are.
Yeah, for the passengers it would be awesome.
Not for the driver, for the passengers and
if you want to do that, rather pull off the road if you want to play on the computer there.
Rather do that. But we just talk about this two radios or this brand. Any other brands you guys at Absolute Vehicle Systems are stocking?
This brand is the NavSense. That is our navigation range. But we do stock other radios if you don't want navigation. We have Sony. We have Pioneer. We have ecstasy radios as well, actually. You get them in single DIN and in double DIN, touchscreen, Bluetooth. For example, the Ramos from ecstasy. We had quite a few of them, but as soon as they were on my shelf, they were out, because what's nice about them, they're not that expensive and they come with a reverse camera in the box.
Oh, look at that. And who said women don't know anything about car radio? Charlene, you deserve an Oscar for knowing radios.
Thank you very much, Francois.